What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking NL. We're getting ready to do the first mini of many to come for this Austin Matthews Raz. We'll fill it up today, get it all done. We're live. Good luck. Best of luck here. Top two, getting a spot for cheap. 131, Rick to Blake. 4 randoms as always. And then top two names, get a spot, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Is at 132. 132 it is. Last and final. Here we go. Rick, pulling it home with spot 1 and 4, man. Congrats. You just got yourself 2 very cheap spots in our Austin Matthews Raz with spot 1 and 4. Timestamp there is at 132. And 132 it is. So congratulations, Rick. 2 of your spots done it. 4 randoms. Guys, that's it. Rick's taking the first 2 spots in this main Raz. We're going to be posting more minis to fill it. We'll see you, and good luck in the next ones.